Ah, mate. What do you got there, big fella?
Got a bit of goon, brother.
Oh, mate, you're a fucking dirty little boy, you are. Stick it in the fridge. You gonna fucking pour some out, Rootsy, or what? You better pour two.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Ah, you get fucked. Fucking poured it for us.
It's alright.
Hey, mate, are you seeing my shoes anywhere?
No, I don't know. Check the fridge.
Oh, what's that? Oh, you little fucking river.
Jeez, that fridge is alright.
I fucking love it.
Oh, your phone, Davey?
Yeah, where the fuck's that coming from?
Don't know.
Ah, I'm trying to guess this fucking fridge. Have my phone. Hello? No, it was in the fridge. Hey, Marty! Where the fuck you go, mate? Oh, mate. I love this fridge. It's got all the answers. Come on, let's go. Let's get fucking blind. Oh, fucking home.